Hey everyone, want to make YouTube Shorts with Pika AI? In this video, I'll show you how to create short AI videos for YouTube step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Pika AI website. Sign in to your account and click Create *** to start a new video project. Next, choose *text to video * or image to video, depending on the type of short you want to create. Now write a clear prompt describing your video idea. Include the subject, action, background, camera movement, and visual style to get better results. Next, set your video format to vertical if available, so it fits the YouTube Shorts layout. Adjust settings like video length, quality, and style, then click *generate ** to create your AI video. Once your video is ready, preview it and improve the prompt if you want different results. You can create multiple versions until you find the best one. After that, add any extra edits like captions, music, or branding using your preferred video editor. Finally, download your video and upload it to YouTube as a short with an engaging title and description. And that's how you make YouTube Shorts with Pika AI. With creative prompts and the right settings, you can create engaging short-form videos quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.